Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of a tire pressure indicator of a BMW X2 after changing the tires or repairing a flat tire. You have to reset it on the menu, and I'm going to show you how I did that for this car. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel. We have more than 350 other videos on how to reset some kind of oil changes, services, and TPMS indicators. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, this is 2018 BMW X2. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the TPMS indicator. First of all, press the ignition on. Like this. And then we are gonna go to this area. You can use this button over here, menu. When you press this appears on the display. Scroll to my vehicle, go down to vehicle status, and as you can see on the left side, you can see tire pressure, engine oil level. We're gonna have this one, tire settings, perform reset, and as you can see, the tires are resetting itself. Sometimes you have to do a quick trip for about 2 minutes, and then the indicator, the pressures are displayed over here. That was it for this car. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.